because I wanted to be more involved in like the way of that UAL teaches and like how they want to introduce young new artists into the art world and the teaching of the art world.
I wanted to do it to learn more about London and further my artistic diversity.
For example, on the first 2 days we kind of went through a journey of experimenting, drawing stuff that we saw at the museum and then turning it into a charcoal drawing and then turning that into a sculpture, and that was really interesting. The process and the journey of using different things that we've done to create a new one has been my favorite part so far.
The teachers are great. They really push you to think deeper, really understand where you're coming from as an artist, and just further your artistic practice and process.
The teachers have been very open to us talking to them about our portfolios and like degrees or foundations. So I think that it has like opened the picture to me to like how I want to like develop like after graduating high school.
People that do this course are from all over the world, and you're able to connect and realize the similarities and differences.
But also I can learn from like their insights of stuff and they can learn from me, and I think that's also part of the learning experience that I wanted to get.
It's definitely allowed me to understand the way my mind works a lot better. It's such a transformative 3 weeks. I think it's the perfect amount of time to build your portfolio, better understand yourself as an artist, and form really great connections with people.